Hey everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today we're looking at a beautiful 2020 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid Blue. With just over 74,000 miles, this vehicle is equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and is front-wheel drive. It also has a clean Carfax with one previous owner. Starting up front here, you can see some nice contour lines from Hyundai and a chrome grille as well with LED lighting on your headlights. Coming around to the wheel and tire setup, you can see that nice machined aluminum alloy wheel wrapped up in a nice set of Goodyears. We'll get to the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the exterior of this beautiful vehicle, you will find turn signal indicators integrated right into that mirror cap. And if we go on the other side, it is also equipped with blind spot monitoring and passive door entry as well. Bringing our attention to the interior of the vehicle, you can see you have some black and brushed aluminum accents, and you will have premium cloth seating with some nice designs and stitching throughout. And as you can see, that black and brushed aluminum is going to continue throughout the entire interior of this nice, elegant vehicle. Located in the glove box of all of our vehicles here at All Things Automotive, you will find a multi-point inspection sheet. And as you can see, the front tires are 6/32 as well as the rears. And the front pads are 13 and 12/32 for the rear pads. So everything is green, good to go. This is considered a 4-door sedan, and in the back seat, you can see you have plenty of room with netting for cargo. And you do have a flow-through center console with charging back here as far as the USB, and then a light above. Coming to the back of the vehicle, you will see that nice high gloss black spoiler and that taillight that runs the whole way across this trunk lid. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk space, excuse me. You will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. This one is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, and of course your trunk release. So let's go ahead and take a look. Plenty of room back here. Looks like an 80-20 split on those seats if you do need those. And you can fold those flat just by pulling those and going inside and folding them down. Making our way to the driver area, you will see all your power options such as child safety locks, windows, door locks, and mirror adjustments. With this model, you will get manual seats. And over here, you have some brightness and dimming controls for your center clusters and lane keep assist, electronic parking brake, traction control off, and another button for your trunk release and your 12-volt battery reset. This Hyundai Sonata is equipped with a push-button start. So let's just do that. Now this is a hybrid, so it will be very silent. As you can see, just over 74,000 miles. And as far as the mounted steering wheel controls, you have some audio controls on this side, cruise control on this side, and you have some assisted steering and then adaptive cruise control as well. Coming over to our beautiful raised infotainment center, as you can see, chrome and then high gloss black. It is equipped with a nice backup camera here as well. As you can see today, nice 4 ways in the middle. And there's your climate control, pretty straightforward. Automatic climate control with your auto or sync. And as far as charging down here, you have a 12-volt USB and, well, 2 USBs actually, and some nice storage. You have your nice select shifter here with your brushed aluminum. And you're gonna have some different driving modes as well as an auto hold, 2 cup holders, and followed up with a nice deep center console for storage. Another great feature of this vehicle is going to be those drive modes. So you do have a custom drive mode where you can customize your different settings within the infotainment center and the selector. Looks like you have custom, sport, eco, and smart. Bringing our attention up top here, you can see you have that Hyundai Blue Link, and then your SOS, and then your nice bright LED map lights as well. Under the hood, you will find a beautiful 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with all your hybrid components and smart stream technology. As you can see, no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything like that. Our crew does an amazing job of making these cars ready for the next buyer. And look at these beautiful LED running lights across the front of this Hyundai Sonata. In the last portion of this video, this is where I'm going to go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this vehicle. Keep in mind, it is a 2020. It is a pre-owned vehicle. None are perfect, but we like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting up front here, you can see some wear from the road. And looks like a small dent here. And some chips from the road, as well as on the bottom bumper here on the chrome exterior. Looks like there is some wear. No curb rash on these wheels. And I'm going up to the passenger side here. The mirror cap looks good. Some small blemishes here on the passenger side door. All the door gaskets look to be in good shape. No cracking or fading or anything like that. A few small blemishes here on the premium cloth seating here, as you can see. Otherwise, a very clean interior. No other rips or stains. Definitely no odors. This car was not smoked in. And in the back seat here, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. All the chrome trim around here seems to be in good shape. You are going to have some chips back here. And I'm still on the passenger side. Coming around to the rear of the vehicle on the trunk lid here. A few small blemishes. And down here, you will have some small blemishes as well. Cargo going in and out. You can't really get around that. Even the high gloss black surrounding those tail lights, very good shape. Again, no curb rash on the driver's side rear wheel. All the way up top here, you can see you do have some blemishes here. These trim pieces on the outside of the door panels, very good shape, no discoloration, no fading. And even on the bottom here, this trim piece on the bottom rocker seems to be in good shape. So this car, only some minor blemishes, otherwise very good shape. In recap, we're looking at a 2020 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid Blue, equipped with that 2-liter hybrid engine. It does have a clean Carfax with one owner. So if you have any questions, give us a call here at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224, hit option 1 for sales, or go to allthingsautomotive.com and shop online 24/7. And you can even get yourself pre-approved. Okay, so come on out to 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Hope you found this video informational. Thanks for watching.